upcoming in-law.
Exactly, that's me. You are welcome.
Sorry, I thought you were my wife. My upcoming wife. My upcoming in-law.
That's me. Exactly. Young man.
Yes, sir.
Look at your hair. Are you sure you're not a friend to Evans? No. What do you do for a living?
Sir, I'm a fashion designer, international one. I'm an MC Koto. I'm an actor in the house of Z comedy. All those comedy you used to watch.
My friend.
What the hell was that for?
Do you think we are shooting comedy? You are laughing. I'm a serious man, do serious business. You are just listening, you do this, you do that. The more you say those things, the more your list will be very long. You sure you are ready, Papa Ojo?
We are ready, yo.
Sure you are ready?
We are ready.
Product number one. No. Number one is occupied. Product number two, soon to be occupied. You bring yourself now, or you forever leave my house. Product number two, are you there? Sample yourself now.
Papa, I want to
Catatonize what? Is she a magnet?
Product number two. Turn around. Very good. Very robust and very good. Milo.
Papa, are you sleeping?
Milo.
Sorry, I was carried away by the son of the nature.
Okay. Paujo, you see, I've been spending a lot of cash on this child. Do you know that young man?
Yes.
What is he to you?
It's my boo.
Huh? Who what? Your what? Children of nowadays, yeah, I'm confused. Your big fool or bigger fool? Don't worry, just go inside, go and give me the list. He said he wants to marry.
Man, is he a bonnet or I don't understand the pushers?
It's a boo.
The credit boo or...
Go bring that list, my friend. This list. Look at the list you are bringing. This one is for only my village people now. My bulldozer, caterpillar, everything. I've not seen anything. Don't mind the shit.
Is this one for us?
This one is just the beginning. Hold this list.
Jesus!
Ojo, these are for the cars. I need like 20 cars.
Jesus!
It's Mercedes-Benz when we came with Legacy's Benz.
500 by 500 in an open environment.
But this thing is too much now.
What the hell was that for?
Just those lists they are complaining. I thought you said you saw fashion this thing for Makadasi. You saw for Barack Obama. Even this Donald Trump, you have sold for the daughter. And now you are complaining that you cannot even... Product number two. Mailo, let me go and ask her where the other list, after the marriage, that's the list you... Mailo! I thought you said you want to come and marry, You saw for Makijasi, you saw... Look at the list, eh?
Why me? Why me? Why me? Why me? Why me?